coursing through my veins. When did I become so